Hi everyone, welcome to
The Together Tribe.
I am Sukhmani.
And I'm Neha.
So, we finished season 1 in the last episode, and it was kind of like a roller coaster.
Again.
Yeah, like every episode has been a roller coaster.
True.
Yeah. And like throughout the season, everything you guessed, only I think the only thing that you guessed was kind of correct was like when Aaron showed up in Titan form and you were like, this is Aaron.
Yeah. Yes.
That
Because
was
of his facial
eye color and
colors
everything.
and facial cut and everything.
But
But throughout 25 episodes.
no guess has been correct.
Yeah. True.
Yes.
That's true.
And we have successfully converted her into an anime watcher. And like this storyline is like nothing like any other we've ever seen, and it only gets crazier as we go ahead in the series.
And I'm glad I got this wonderful introduction, opportunity, or maybe you emphasized
that we should watch it.
Watch it.
It's going to be so much fun, and we'll
I know.
record the.
I know it's been almost. I guess we were in this conversation for almost quite a month.
Yeah, a few months, like
Few
6,
months,
7
yes.
months.
That let's watch it. Let's watch it. But I'm glad we did.
Yeah. Also, like I have been convincing my brother, but we'll see when that happens.
He will also like, I'm sure.
Yeah, he will. But he's like always like, if he starts something, then it's going to be like, even if you're not there, he would watch it like to end. So we have to think about how we're going to go through that thing, but that is like a topic for another time.
Yeah.
But today we're going to be starting season 2. Yeah, we are so excited. Last we saw the Titan
Oh.
in the wall,
Titan in the wall, yes.
and we're like, have you been thinking like why, how?
Now I think these walls, there must be titans inside them. No, I think. And when they said no, like these walls, how come these walls are so high?
And nobody knows why they were
Yeah.
made, how they were made.
I know. So that might be possibility.
Anything they're not telling is suspicious.
Everything.
Everything is suspicious.
Everything is suspicious.
Yeah.
Now that Annie she's into crystallization form.
Yeah.
I don't know. And then the last, I remember the last episode, season 1, episode 25. They were focusing on Aaron's key.
Yeah. They're always focusing on that, but we never get to it.
Yes.
They're like anticipation.
So they were focusing on the key. So now I think this episode might be having something related to that key. I think so.
Okay.
I'm always wrong. Like out of 25 episodes, 24 episodes I was wrong.
Yeah.
Just one episode I got right was Aaron's when he was coming as a Titan.
Yes.
So let's hope.
But now you guys know what is going to happen. I know what is going to happen. Actually, like, I think like I know like major storyline thing, but I can't remember like a lot of stuff. Even though I have seen like other people who actually react to the shows, I've seen like a lot of these videos. I love them.
I am not into it, to be very
Yes.
honest.
That is
not
why
watched.
that is
She
why
watched,
I
I
am
have not.
like more of a YouTube person. You are more of an. Anyway, let's start season 2, episode 1. We have been talking for quite some time now.
I know.
囚われていた屈辱も忘れさせて
समझ आ रही है पीछे करो recap the Titan has been working out
I know.
with the amount of glute exercise he has
巨人によって破られた時人類の戦いが始まった そして兵士民間人を問わず
I
多大
remember
な犠
this.
牲を出しながらも人間の中に紛れ込んでいる巨人の存在を知り、ついにその一人であるアニレオンハートを捕獲することに成功したのだ。壁が破られてから5年目のことである。だが人類の次なる脅威はこの時すでに迫っていた。
Moving her. Because the recon cops now have the authority over her, probably. What the hell? Ah.
巨人？なんだ？壁の中にまさか。分隊長、指示は？何？ちょっと待って。あれはたまたまあそこだけにいたの？それとも、もしそうじゃなきゃ。憎しさに果てるな。あの巨人、肉を当てるな。
This is the guy who worships the walls. Remember, he was in that chapel thing. What is going to happen in this show?
I know. Beast Titan. Is that a Beast Titan?
Nice.
壁の巨人はとりあえずシートで覆うことになりました。本格的な作業は一番想像していたものなどいない。知らないもの、知っていた者がいるだけだ。
Erwin is crazy smart.
一体どうなってるんだ。ここで巨人と戦闘が行われたのに何の説明もなしだ。
まあ、でも一番嫌なのはさ、こんだけ死んでんのに実は理由がありませんでしたってことかな。
さて、そろそろ話してもらいましょうか。この巨人は何ですか？
How
な
does he
ぜ
know about
壁
it?
の中に巨人がいるんですか？そしてなぜあなた方はそれを黙っていたんですか？
私は勇ましい。教会も信者もめちゃくちゃにされた。貴様らのせいだ。後で被害額を請求する。さあ、私を下に下ろせ。
いいですよ。ここからでいいですか？
分隊長、
やるな。ふざけんな。お前らは我々調査兵団が何のために血を流しているかを知ってたか？巨人に奪われた自由を取り戻すためだ。にせよ、お前一人の命じゃ足りないと思っている。
話せ。
今話していいか？
今だ。
分かった。死んでもらおう。
アンジさん、私を殺して学ぶがいい。我々は必ず死を全うする。だから今この手を離せ。
嘘嘘、冗談。ねえ、憎しさえ。壁って全部巨人でできてるの？
分隊長、
ああ、いつの間にか忘れてたよ。こんなの初めて壁の外に出た時以来の感覚だ。怖いな。
few days earlier. 12
12
hours earlier. Paul Cena.
から南に行くと俺の村が近いんだぜ。
They have nothing to do.
なんで帰っちゃダメなんだよ。夜に抜け出してやろうかな。兵士は無理だって言われてた。しかし俺は天才だった。10番内の成績で兵士になった。だから村に帰って見返した。
お前が本気なら協力するぞ。
あ、
Ah.
なんだ。
訓練をするのだぞ。さらに疑問なのは上官たちの完全武装だ。ここは前線でもねえ、壁の内側だぜ。何と戦うってんだ。
この辺りは熊が出るからかな。
ええ、熊ですね。
熊なら鉄砲でいいだろう。
足音みたいな地鳴りが聞こえ
何言ってんだサシャ。ここに巨人がいるって言いたいなら、そりゃウォールローゼが突破されたってことだぞ。
行け。
友、確に伝えろ。おそらく104機調査兵団の中に巨人はいなかった。南より巨人多数襲来。ウォールローゼは突破された。
本当です全員いるか。
七葉さん、
500メートル南方より巨人が多数接近。こっちに向かって歩いてきてる。君たち
なんとか。
His family.
壁が壊されたってことなのか。
さあ動いて。残念だけど仕組みここまで姫島を預けろ。行け。
Nick.
前艦、青い部隊に9体いる。
ウォールローゼは突破されてしまった。私たちは巨人の秘密や負
Oh.
けた。
いや、まだだ。
This is 12 hours earlier, no?
Hmm.
人は戦うことをやめたとき、初めて敗北する。戦い続ける限りは、まだ負けてない。
They're all not equipped.
あの巨人たちが林まで到達したら、一斉に離散する。これまでに4つの班を構成する。
Why they're not?
野球虫と
Because they have they said like there's no
東
time.
西にも振り分ける。
There's no time.
戦闘は可能な限り回避し、情報の拡散に努めよう。だから、この地域、
知ってます。コニーも。コニー。
南に俺の村があります。巨人が来た方向に。近くの村を案内できます。その後は俺の村に行かせてください。
分かった。南班の案内はお前に任せたぞ。
はい。
コニー、俺も行く。
多分南は一番危険だ。巨人がいっぱいいる。
何言ってんだ。さっき抜け出しに加担すると言っただろう。お前はどうする？ベルトルト。
Well,
もちろん、僕も行くよ。
the animation has
分かっ
changed.
てるところが。今日は人類最悪の日が更新された日だ。そして人類史上最も忙しく働くべき時が今だ。
巨人どもが林に到達したぞ。
Why it was what twisted?
It's like they were acting like normal titans. They were acting like normal titans, and all of a sudden, they became the aberrant ones, the ones that like are unpredictable.
Huh.
We see na here, he's like, it's so funny. It's like something happened. Oh my god.
Oh god.
Oh my god. They change direction, so they are also change direction.
ダメだ。こっちの人数が必要だ。ミケさんを信じろ。調査兵団で今井兵長に次ぐ実力者だ。とてもなく救急が戻ってくる。
The Titans in the walls.
Unknown entity. They appear to form the wall with a material similar to female Titan's crystallization. The minister of the Church of the Wall seems to know that
The walls are actually made of the crystallization.
I was thinking same. That means every wall have a Titan.
Yeah. So the wall is like you saw the face of the Titan was in middle of those two pillars. So there are so many of those pillars.
I got it. When they were standing, no?
Huh. That's what you were thinking?
I was thinking same. That definitely like single. This is Titan inside them.
Yeah. And such huge ones.
And what brings these Titans running towards this side?
Like why the ones we just saw who started
because
running.
they see. It is in a history like as per their mention, Titans don't eat humans.
No, Titans eat humans, but they don't need it to survive.
They don't need it to survive,
Yeah.
no?
And they have like this photosynthesis kind of thing that they are more active during the sun. And in the nighttime they are like sleeping or just like lying there. Not that active. Photosynthesis.
Okay. Let's not predict. Let's watch.
Let's watch. Current.
あんたマルコそれではいどんなに相手が悪くて憎たらしくてもね突っかかりゃいいってもんじゃないんだよあんたは男だろたまにはこうやっ
Eren
て
looks just like
ミカ
his
サを守
mom.
ってみせな それ
落ちたぞ。疲れてんだろ。部屋行って寝ろよ。
ごめん平気
それもうボロボロだな。今度支給品に新しいのあったらもらっといてよ。
大変なことになった巨人がボールロ
休ませてくれねえな、巨人ども。行けるか。
Can
行くしかな
He
い。
dresses like
104キロのパンチ
shots.
に池田隊長が当たったのは正解でしたね。どうにか持ちこたえられるかと。
Okay. He's laughing.
あと4体。
Oh my god.
ज़्यादा फिर लगेगी कितना फनी है
死の力士
मोटो
十分時間は稼いだ。
What?
The horse?
だが
Probably.
気がかりなのはあの気候種。何か妙だ。17メートル以上あるのか。 近づくでもなく、ああやって歩き回ってるあたり、貴公子に違いないのだろうな。よし、よく戻ってきた。ここで夜まで耐える必要はなさそうだな。やった。まさか。
Oh god.
He said, wait.
Huh?
He said, wait.
Wow. その武器は何て言うんですか？腰につけた飛び回るやつ。
Oh my god.
同じ言語のはずなんだが、怯えてそれどころじゃないのか。つうか剣とか使ってんのか。やっぱうなじにいるってことは知ってんだね。まあいいや。持って帰れば。
What is that?
That gear thing. He took it. Shocked.
I know.
Shocked.
Yeah, I got shocked when he said, wait.
Talking Titan.
Talking Titan.
Beast Titan.
Beast Titan. Is that a Beast Titan?
Yeah, does look like.
What is going to happen? I
Oh.
know. I'm shocked. I don't know.
And he took
Yeah.
the maneuver gear to know what it is.
But he did not let that Titan
Eat
kill
him.
it. Yeah. He
he,
said, wait.
he could control
Huh.
the Titan. What do you think? What's going on in your head? What else?
Doesn't he look like Aaron's father?
You heard it here first. Prediction number 1 for
Prediction
season
one.
2.
Season 2.
That the Beast Titan is Aaron's father.
I just recognize, I feel
You feel like it.
because of his face and all.
But why?
The facial.
Why would he attack?
He is attacking the human, no, but his son is a form of a titan. He looks like Aaron's father.
Okay.
戦うことをやめたとき、初めて敗北する。戦い続ける限りは、まだ負けてない。もう動いてねえよ。
Tore his neck off. So now nobody knows that there is this Titan who can talk
I know.
because the person who knew died.
Died.
I don't remember this watching the first time.
And he cannot pass this information that he had taken that
Yeah.
part.
To know what it is and how they are using it to kill the Titans. Maybe the Titans that are coming are not just random things. Somebody is sending them.
Somebody sending them, yes, definitely. If someone is sending them, why the Titans who are inside the walls are not getting activated then? Or maybe they are sending those so that they get activated. Everyone is running towards the wall, no? Like they can run to the other direction also, no?
Like the Titans that are coming to the walls.
Towards the wall, no? They're trying to get inside more and more.
Because there are humans they can eat, probably.
But they don't need humans to survive, no? There is nothing.
But they want to eat humans.
They want to eat humans. But what is driving them? Like, it's not hunger. What they are getting attracted to? Humans? No, I don't think so.
I think so. Humans. I don't know.
I also don't know.
Now we got introduced to a new Titan.
Beast type. Female Titan. First one was
Colossal Titan.
Colossal Titan. Female Titan.
Armored Titan. The one with the yellow hard
Yes, Armored
body
Titan.
thing.
Female Titan.
Yes.
And now Beast
Titan. And there is Eren,
Titan.
who we don't know what Titan he is.
What type of Titan he is. Okay. Interesting.
Interesting. Did you even guess, like, if we would see a Titan talk?
I got shocked when he said, wait. And I was like, maybe that guy was telling him to wait. And when the wait was, sound of wait came, no, the Titan stopped. And I was like, this Beast Titan is saying wait. They continued with 2-3 sentences. What is that with you guys fly with? He asked, no?
So we are kind of shocked again.
As usual.
Nothing new there.
Nothing new. We tends to get shocked by every end of every episode.
Yes. But we are very excited to see where the season 2 goes. Now that a new Titan and a new
I
thing
am
is
thinking
introduced.
season 2 first episode. Just they bombarded us with a Beast Titan. That too talking one.
Yeah.
What the whole season gonna hold? I don't know.
Also, like, this season, I guess, has less episodes than the
Okay,
season
less
1.
than 25. More bombastic. More bombastic
Yes.
gonna be.
We are very excited to know what happens throughout this whole season. I hope you guys are too. And if you guys liked our reaction, like and subscribe to the channel. And that was our reaction for season 1, season 2,
Season 2.
episode 1. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.